Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I love YouTube. So right now we're going to be doing this sneezing challenge. Now Tika, I forgot the numbers, but she requested this to me and now I'm doing it. So I'm so excited. But let's just get right through this. So you have to do this, and I broke it a little bit. But this is kind of weird, just putting it in my nose. But yeah, I think I sneeze a lot, so this is gonna be I'm gonna sneeze 10 times. Yeah. So I'm gonna put check marks every time I do it. Wait. Okay. Every time I do it, I'm gonna put like one check over here every time I sneeze. So I have to sneeze 10 times. So let's get started. This is so weird. Oh my god, this. Okay, I've not seen. This is so weird. Okay, I'm not sneezing yet, but as soon as I'm gonna sneeze. Oh my god, this is disgusting. Okay. I sneezed for once, I was about to sneeze for like a second. I'm gonna do it if I did it right, because I sneeze really easily. I sneezed. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'm gonna do one dot instead of check mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'll do okay, so I did one dot under the 2. I mean the 1, because I sneezed one time, so I have to sneeze 10 times. It's kind of weird touching it. Disgusting. This is so. Okay, I'm about to sneeze. Okay, I sneezed a second time. Oh my, how am I sneezing of putting this in my nose? This is, okay. But, yeah. I sneezed again. Oh my, how did I sneeze 3 times? Like in 5 minutes and 38 seconds. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 more. Okay, I think we can do this. So wait, oh my god. That's enough. I think, okay. I'm gonna get another one. Okay. I'm getting another tissue because this is. Okay. I'm getting another tissue. I'm gonna curl it. What's that noise? Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna check because, wait. Okay, that's Roblox. That was weird. Hold on, let me just see that. Oh my god. Okay. 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 I want this in my purple hair. Okay. I don't want this in my brown or purple hair because that will be disgusting. Okay. So five more times to sneeze. Okay. What was that? Oh my god. Okay. Now 4 more times to sneeze. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more times. I can't believe I'm gonna sneeze like 6 times. Like, wow. my gosh, I really covered my sneeze on that one. Okay, I have 3 more to go. Okay, oh my. Okay, 2 more sneezes to go. Oh my gosh. Okay, that one felt like my face almost like turned red because of that sneeze, because like I put it. The rest of the sneeze were like normal sneeze, but that was like unusual sneeze. Oh my gosh. Okay, 1 more to go. I did 8, 9. Okay, now 1 more. Oh my god. My face turned red on, almost turned red on that one too. But guys, I finished it. I did 10 sneezes in like 1 day. Oh my god. But guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Smash that like button. Yeah, guys, smash that like button right now. Smash it. Just tap it 3, no, not tap it 3 times. Tap it like 1 time. Just smash it. Just tap it. Just tap it right now. Because just tap it. Because just tap it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, comment down below you did that, and okay, I love YouTube shirts. So yeah. Bye guys.